With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, it is said that an open cylindrical vessel of internal diameter 7 cm and height 8 cm stands on a horizontal table. Inside this is placed a solid metallic right circular cone, the diameter of whose is 3 into 1/2 cm and height is 8 cm. And we have to find the volume of the water required to fill the vessel. And after this, if this cone is replaced by another cone whose height is 1 into 3/4 cm and the radius is 2 cm, and so we have to find the drop in the water level. So firstly, making the diagram, which is like to be this, since it is a cylinder. It is open and height is tell that height is 8 cm and diameter which is 7 cm. So now we have given that diameter is 7 cm, so radius will be 7/2 cm. So volume of cylinder is, as you know the formula, pi r square h. And now putting the value, as you know, we can write this pi as 22/7 and r is given 7/2. We can write this 7/2 into 7/2 and h, which is given as 8 cm. So now simplifying this gets this and this gets this, so it remains 308 centimeter cube. So now it is also said in the question that if this is placed, inside this is placed a solid metallic right circle cone, which is like to be that by this. So, and it is base height is given 8 cm and base which is 3 into 1/2 base diameter. So as given in the question, the diameter of cone is 3 into 1/2 cm. We can write this as 7/2 cm diameter of cone, and radius of cone is 7/2 divided by 2, so it's 7/4 cm. Now finding the volume of cone, which the formula is 1/3 pi r square h. To 1/3 into pi is 22/7 into r is 7/4. We can write this as 7/4 into height is 8. So now some simplification. In this gets this, so and this also gets this, so it comes as 77/3 centimeter cube. Now as in the question, we have to find the water filled volume of the water filled in the vessel required. So required water to be filled in vessel is by volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So it is 308 minus 77/3. So taking LCM, it gets 924 minus 77 divided by 3, it gets 282.33 centimeter cube. Now again in the question it is said that if this cone is replaced by another cone whose height is this and base is this, so height of new cone is 1 into 3/4, which we can write as 7/4 centimeter, and also radius is given 2 centimeter. So now volume of new cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, the formula. Putting these 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square is 2 to 4 into h is given as 7 by 4. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. So it remains 22 by 3 centimeter cube. So now as we have to find the volume of water which drops down by putting the new cone, so it is done that volume of water which comes down after putting the new cone, which is the formula, which is volume of cone minus volume of new cone, which we get 77 by 3 minus 22 by 3 is equals to 55 by 3 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the volume of the whole cylinder and also the level of water drop down. So give this equation 1. Volume of water which is dropped down in the cylinder. So it is, we know that radius is 7 by 2 centimeter of the cylinder, and we don't know height. So let h be the height of the water drops down. So now putting the formula, volume of water drops down, which is pi r square h. Now putting the value 22 by 7 into r, which is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h. We have let that h is, so this gets cancelled, this remains 77 h by 2. Give this equation second. Now equate equation 1 and 2. We get this 55 by 3 is equal to 77 by 2 h. So in this, h becomes 55 by 3 into 2 by 77. Now after simplifying this, so in this it becomes 110 divided by this, multiplying, it gets 231 centimeter. So here it is, this comes the drop in water level, which is 110 divided by 231 centimeter. So it is the answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.